Please upload more long videos like 3 minutes. Then uh, make a playlist so that others can watch your, so others can help you to for your watch hours. Where are you from? One of the years, Selen Dark. What time is it now? 12:51. So I have, it's only 12 minutes. But here in my phone is 14 minutes. Hala, what happened to my kuan? Signal. Signal is not good. Always be kind to others, even though others don't. You cannot read your, what happened to na yan? Puching. Puching ba to? Aduching. Sorry. Naalala ko lang yung ano mo, Ching. Ay, bata pala to si ano. Kaya pala iba siya mag-type, mag-comment. I think he is 11 years old or 10. Marunong ba ito mag-Tagalog? Nag-answer siya ng oo. Hello, Ching! Mega love shout out to Net. Mega love shout out, Ching. Nag-update lang, Ching. Alis kasi kami maya. 1 p.m. Where are you from? One of the years, Selen Dark. You're just a kid. And I cannot comment your you add please subscribe to Baltic's video because he loves to play Clash Royale, and you too love to play online games. Mary Pinky, hello Mary Pinky. Later sa gabi na ako mag ano ninyo mag payback watching. I will pay you, I will watch your upload video. Yes, bro. By the way, one of the years, Selen Dark, how old are you now? You speak English or what? Or do you know how to speak Tagalog? Tagalog or any language? Kapoy ba aning natay viewer nga magdugo-dugo ang ilong nato ani Ching. Sige lang. Sige lang, oo. Makulit siya na bata. Hello, Ching. Later na ako mag-ano, Ching. Sa gabi. Sa gabi na ako mag-payback to those who support my live stream this afternoon. At night, I will pay you back. I will watch your upload video. Oy, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, is this one of the years Selen Dark? I said be kind to others. One of the years Selen Dark. Why are you always like that, your attitude? Be respectful and be kind to others. You have limited words, one of the year still and dark. Hi Mary Pinky vlog. Always saying bad words, oh, not good. You're not good influencer. You're not a good child. You're not a good kid. Please be kind, okay? Ano to? Although ikaw ang pinakamatalino, but your attitude is not good. Walang matalino kung walang teacher na magturo sa iyo ng magandang values. Importante ang values. Okay? Masarap pakinggan ang batang marunong rumespeto sa kanyang sa mas pinakamatanda. Yes, you're good in academic, but your attitude is not good. Not good to hear other people. Show good. If you have honors, you are very good child, very good kid, respectful. You have all good attitude if you have with honors. Wala kang wala yung wala sa katayuan ng isang tao or ng isang bata ang kapag may honor ka or wala. Kailangan mo maging mabait sa mas mas matanda sa iyo. Hi Rems National, I will pay you back sis at night kasi aalis pa kami ngayon. I will watch your upload video. I will watch your upload video sa gabi na. Alis kasi kami. And thank you for coming to my live stream sis Rems. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying there in my live stream. Sa live ko na maya. Hindi ka nag-live. Sige, bye. Bye, one of the years, Selendar. Be good always. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear one of the years, Selendar. Be kind and respectful, okay? Thank you, sis Rems National. Thank you so much, everyone. Update, mag-highlight pala ako. Mag-highlight kasi maka-highlight lang ako pag naka live stream. You're welcome always. Mag-highlight mo na ako, ha. night I will ano